Fresh leaks are spilling brand new details on Insta360's upcoming X6 360-degree action camera, giving us our clearest look yet at what could be the biggest hardware refresh in the lineup's history. Following earlier reports detailing its redesigned chassis, updated specifications, FCC certification filings, and preliminary pricing, official retail packaging has now surfaced online, effectively confirming a massive list of headline features. The first photos of the official retail box, originally shared by tech leaker Igor Bogdanov, reveals several critical performance metrics. Most notably, the box confirms that the X6 can capture full 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, pushing continuous recording times up to an impressive 140 minutes on a single charge. The packaging also officially validates two heavily rumored hardware features: an enhanced low-light processing mode dubbed PureVideo, and a completely re-engineered swappable lens protection system marketed as Replaceable Lenses 2.0. Beyond the box packaging, leaked hands-on photos offer a direct visual comparison between the upcoming X6, its immediate predecessor, and GoPro's now discontinued Max 360 camera. The side-by-side images show that Insta360 has abandoned the taller, narrower silhouette of previous generations. Instead, the X6 features a noticeably shorter, wider, and more compact form factor. While it stands slightly taller than GoPro's dual-lens offering, its lower profile should make it far less top-heavy when mounted horizontally on helmets, vehicle rigs, or extended selfie sticks. Additional shots revealing the back panel of the retail packaging outline the exact contents included in the premium bundle. Highlighted among the included accessories is a newly upgraded 2,600 mAh high-capacity unit labeled the Extra Xtreme Battery, designed to sustain the heavy thermal demands of long 8K recording sessions. With retail-ready units already circulating and packaging fully exposed, an official announcement is reportedly right around the corner, with industry trackers pointing toward a potential launch date as early as July 30th. Pricing leaks indicate that the standalone camera unit will retail for approximately €589, or around $670. Meanwhile, the full accessory bundle featured in the packaging leaks is expected to land near €789, or roughly $897. If these specs and launch dates hold true, official confirmation from Insta360 is only a matter of days away.